So, today on Break Stuff, we're gonna smash a gun. See that? High powered, can shoot really far, but we got bored of it. We got a better one, so I'm gonna hand it to Toby. He's gonna smash it! Right, so let's get the camera ready. Right, aim it at the gate and throw. Nope, it hasn't smashed.
Looks like a few bits came off it.
Is it? What? Boom, 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 boom.
Oh, some bits came off.
Oh, no, that's Fox
smashed.
Oh, look at all those bits. And it's
The
broken.
back is smashed open.
Look at that. Whoa.
I don't
that
think it'll be
is
fine.
a breakage. Look at all this stuff. On the floor. It landed right next to the fox. Boom. So
That's a massacre. I don't think it'll be firing any more BB bullets.
Okay, bye. Almost up the camera.
Bye.